Hello and welcome to MRD Future Tech, where we make your life easy with AI automations. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Forms to your Google Sheets and then eventually send an automatic email to your respondents. So let's dive in. So as you can see, our first step is always to log in with yourmake.com. If you haven't already registered, please use our referral link in the description below. And as you see, I've logged in. So let's create the scenario. We're going to head over to our first module. We're going to search for Google Forms. And we're going to show more under the Google Forms. And we're going to say watch responses. Okay. We're going to get our form ID. Well, first we're going to add our connection. Sign in with Google, of course. And we're going to choose our email address, the email address you normally want to associate this make.com with, or the scenario with rather. So as I've got my connection added, I'm going to take the form ID. Now, as you can see, when we come onto our form, our ID is between the first slash here after E to the W. Okay, it didn't highlight the whole thing, but let's try it again. Okay, we're going to copy that and we're going to head over here and paste it. And we're going to save. We're going to save from now on. You can obviously choose a specific date you'd like it from to watch the responses from. You could choose all your email or you could choose manually. I'm going to choose from now on and I'm going to save. Then I'm going to add a Google Sheets form. So ideally, before you start this scenario, you want to have a Google form already created in which that is personal to you or whatever you would like the form to have. You will also need a Google Sheets created already in which you have your headings or your columns. And here you'll be able to add those forms and sheets to your specific scenario. So when we head back here, we're going to search for Google Sheets. We're going to say add a row. And in here, obviously, you're going to add your connection again. So I'm going to add my connection by choosing my email address I want to work with. Ultimately, this just synchronizes it to your make.com scenario. Okay. And then once it's connected, we're going to search by path. You could also do it manually, the way I took the URL from the Google Forms and put it into the form ID. You could do this the same way if you want to search. If you go search by path, you can enter manually. So you could do the same with your Google Sheets. I'm going to just search by path because it's already connected to my drive. And in here, under spreadsheet ID, I'm going to search for respond to bookings because that's what I named the Google Sheet. And under sheet name, I'm going to say sheet 1. So before you head over to this step, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our bookings form. Well, for me, it's a booking form. For you, it would be whatever form you wish to have. So I'm going to type in I'm going to answer the form and complete it, and then I'm going to head back to my scenario. So under my first name, I'm going to say Alicia. I'm going to say my last name. Under email address, I'm going to say info. Under company name, I'm just going to say MRD Future Tech. Date of event, I'm going to say maybe the event is in 2025. The month would be, say, March, and the date may be 1st of March. Time would be, say, 10 a.m. So we're going to write 10 a.m. Location of the event, we'll just say Johannesburg for now. And any additional information we could write, bring a script and an intro video along. Okay, and we're going to say submit. Okay, we're going to tick that and we're going to say submit. Okay, it went through. So when you go onto column range, we're going to say A to Z. And under A, we're going to say the first name, B, the last name, C, the email address, D, the company name, E, is the date of event, F is location of the event, and G would be any additional information. So this corresponds to our columns on the Google Sheet, right? And then we're going to say save. And then we're going to, from here, we're going to add your Gmail account. So when we go onto Gmail, we're going to say send an email. This, obviously, you're going to add your connection again also. If you have it logged in, all the better. And we're going to connect it. Okay, and the subject would be booking confirmed. And then in the content, we can say dear. We could write first name because we will like to address them personally. Thank you for choosing us to be part of your event. We are excited and thrilled to be on board. We hope to add success to your event. And we're going to say best regards, and I'm just going to say my name. Okay? And we're going to click save. Okay, so 2 we'll say is the respondent, the email address, okay? So we're going to say the respondent email. Over here as well. Okay, yes, 100%. Done. And then we're going to say run once. After we run once, you're going to see that your Google Sheet is going to pick up the responses from your Google form, and then it's going to take the respondent email and send an email automatically confirming in this case, confirming a booking. But in your case, it will be personalized to your suitability. But thank you for watching, and to continue looking for more of these AI automations, please subscribe, like, and share as much videos on the MRD Future Tech channel. Thank you very much.